Hey y'all, this is Trang. Welcome to my closet. Today we are unboxing my mom's choice of handbag. This is the second one that I got for her. I'll tell you what it is. It is, for those of you who can't stand the suspense, the Louis Vuitton Alma BB black epi leather. I purchased this from Couture USA. They are a consignment store in Tampa, Florida. They also have an eBay shop. So when I shop for anything on eBay, I try to find out if the seller has a store outside or if they have like a private website. Because as you know, a lot of major consignment store also sell their goods on eBay. And if you go to their private site, sometimes they have great coupon codes. All right, here's a really cute note from the owner of Couture USA. Because I went to their private website, I was able to use their new customer coupon code, which was $75 off. By the way, I am not sponsored by this company. This is the first time ever that I purchased from them, so I hope everything goes well. Anyhow, it was $1,099 minus a $75 coupon code. They also had a 20% off coupon promotion. So I bought a $500 gift card for $400. And this bag, I was only able to use one gift card on it. That was the rule. They give you the free shipping. Florida doesn't have a sales tax. So I paid a grand total of $924.99, which is amazing because if you look on Fashion File, they have the same exact bag in really bad condition. I think it has some glue or something on the logo. This bag is almost flawless. It does have minor scratching in the base. I wish I had screenshot the flaw for you guys, but the listing is no longer available because I had purchased it. This bag did not come with a dust bag, and they graciously gave me this beautiful dust bag from their store. I usually don't store my things in dust bag anyways, but I thought this was a really nice gesture. Because you know how normally when you buy pre-owned goods, sometimes they don't come with dust bag, they just shipped it to you in a plastic bag. So this is really nice. The quality is good. It's on par with Chanel dust bag quality. So just by looking at it, because some Chanel dust bag, I swear to God, they are so cheaply made. Louis Vuitton had a price increase 3 weeks ago. The current price for a Alma BB epi leather is $1,760 plus tax. If I were to purchase it here in my state, I would have paid $1,905.20. So I saved $980.21, which is pretty close to $1,000. And for a little scratch, I think it's totally worth it. But let's hope that it is just a little scratch. Let's see. Oh, this is neat. So they shipped me the bag with this security tag. It's kind of like when you buy clothes, the tag that hangs on it. If you detach this, you can no longer return it. It says this item has been certified authentic. So let's look at the condition. The toggle spins great. There's no rusting. There is a minor bit of dirt here. I'm sure that can be cleaned off. All the stitches are intact, as well as the glazing. The strap is flexible. There are creases, but there are no torn area or cracks. As usual, if I decide to keep this, I will open off it to make sure that it stays in good condition and does not crack with use in the future. So far, the straps are in excellent condition. There's a very tiny Louis Vuitton written on this little button. This one spins freely as well. Let's examine the lock. The lock has not rusted yet. It has minor dings and scratches on it, but as far as I can see, there's no rust. There is a little dent here on the lock. You can see right there. Look at the pull. Right, it's just an ordinary pull. I'm going to look at the zipper very closely. Here's the second pull. This pull, if you can see, has lost a little color where the metal kept scraping. So right there, it lost a little bit of a color. Otherwise, it should be fine. A lot of the handbag in this type of a condition are now being listed for about $1,300 to $1,500. This is gently used condition. I'm just gonna pull the zipper and make sure it closes smoothly. That's pretty smooth. Let's check out this hardware. It's dirty, but there's no rusting. It's actually pretty good. No scratching. Okay, so the clochette. I've seen some where the leather has split. This one, once again, a little bit dirty right here, but no splitting. The stitches are still all intact. Look at the keys. They haven't rusted. That's great. Okay. Now let's look at the outer appearance of the front of the bag. I can see there's a minor scratch right there. Like a minor scratch here. Once again, when I'm wearing this in real life, of course, we're not going to notice all these things, but I'm just inspecting the item because it is listed as gently used. This is my first time using the company. I just want to see how honest they were. Online, they listed these minor hairline scratches very clearly. I believe they used a sharp contrast in their photo so that you can see it even more clearly than what I'm showing you now. So they were very honest about this section of the bag. This is why this bag was discounted over $900 from the boutique if you were getting it brand new. So I understood that this bag wasn't going to be in brand new condition with that type of saving. It was not shown on their listing. This right here. This is a minor one. Like some scuffing here across the base. This was also not listed. All in all, not bad. Taking into consideration that I am paying half off, this is not bad at all. Let me unzip this bag. We're going to have a look inside. This bag was listed once again as gently used. There did not disclose any stains in the bag. I don't see any stains, but I do see a wear mark right here and right here. That's very minor. Everything that I'm seeing, I'm pretty sure if I purchased this bag new, I would have done this much damage within a month. I don't think it's worth it to buy these things full price. They don't retain their retail value unless you're getting a really rare limited edition item or things of that nature. Otherwise, if it's a basic piece, it's not worth it. So that is the full inspection of this bag. I am really liking what I'm seeing. For the most part, the large scratches was disclosed in the listing. There were some minor scratches that we have to look at with fine lens and the right lighting to find. Under normal circumstance, the human eye would probably not be able to view these things. So I'm not gonna hold it against the store. Their prices are really reasonable for what they're selling. If I'm gonna use this bag as an everyday bag, I need to carry things for my baby. So let's see what fits inside. He's not gonna poop every time he leaves the house. This is for emergency. So let me put it at the bottom of the bag. For sure, he does need to drink all the time. So let's put that in the middle. He will need to wipe his mouth. Since that's flexible, we can put it on the side. We need 2 baby bag of food. We can stick 1 on each side. The baby food is non-negotiable. Hand sanitizer. His snack. I like that the bag is microfiber, which makes it very easy. When I have leather lined handbag, I always have to use a bag protector, bag organizer, because the leather scratch. With microfiber, it's really easy. So I don't need a organizer because the organizer would take up a lot of space. I don't think we're gonna be able to take this with us. I might have to use the wipey just to wipe his mouth. If I don't take his giant cloth, then we should be good to go. Because these sides will cinch up and these items shouldn't fall out. Yeah. There we go. So that's that. More realistically, I might have to hold his water bottle so that we can get everything in. If I hold his water bottle, then we can close the bag very nicely. There we go. I'm pretty impressed. My Chanel Coco Handle Mini cannot carry half of what's in here. I don't mind holding 1 item. So if I do end up keeping this bag, that's something to consider. Let me go ahead and do some mod shots for you guys. I'm usually in just sweatpants and a t-shirt, nothing special. So this bag would fit my lifestyle as an everyday bag because I'm very casual. The only thing I'm concerned about usually are the shoulder strap length because I am 5'1.5". Sometimes I put 5'2" in my profile because I'm an optimistic person. The moment of truth. As a short person, aka petite, this is a terrible length for me. It is way too low. It needs to hit me yay high, and it is a tad too low. Just about 2 inches. This is not even a chain strap. I can't adjust it. So, I don't know. That might be a deal breaker. What do you guys think? Well, that's interesting. I am not a fan of Louis Vuitton in general, their monogram, but the epi leather I do like. I like this bag a lot more now that I've seen it in person. The shoulder strap, although it is narrow, is very comfortable. It is not digging at all. However, the length is just a tad too long for me. If you are taller than about 5'2", it might work for you, maybe around 5'4". If you're shorter than I am at 5'2", this might not be good. You can always buy an aftermarket strap, or I can take it to a shoe cobbler and have them shorten the strap for me. However, anytime you alter a design of an original handbag, you're gonna have a terrible time trying to resell it, because most of the population, they're not elf size like we are. So that's something to think about. What do you guys think? This is such a good deal. I kind of don't want to let it go just because of the shoulder strap length. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these type of videos, come back, like, and subscribe.